Hello guys, this is the Claret and Blue Train Spotter here. Welcome back to another video, this time at London Euston, the terminus for the West Coast Mainline, where we should see plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, London Northwestern Railway, London Overground, and that's pretty much it. Where do I begin to start with telling you what's happened since I've also getting myself set up? We've had just a load of 350s departing, a load of we've had Pendolinos coming in, I had to wander around the place trying to get this off a pass from the Network Rail office. I've had a load of things happening since whilst we've been doing that. We've got 710 departing here, going to Euston Junction. 710 379. We've got a Pendolino sat there. We've got 39135 sat there, 350 239 sat just in there on platform 13, and platform 10 we've got 350 249. I think that's not everything, but yeah, that's pretty much everything you can see. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what shall arrive and depart here at London Euston. Okay, now departing over there will be 221 110 with the 1502 Avanti West Coast service to Holyhead. And we've got a Pendolino coming in as well. I'll just check where he's from. This will be from Birmingham New Street. Don't think free Wi-Fi is going to work at the station, is it? Yeah. Right. Hello there. 390,009. Treaty of Union. I honestly have no idea whether or not I should be this far up the platform. There was no sign saying I couldn't go up here. I'll be fine. Okay, now coming in will be a terminating pair of 350s from Milton Keynes Central. 35231 on the front. On the rear is 350-104 in the Eurovision livery. Yeah, this does seem to get a lot of stick, but I kind of like it. And I'll turn back round as we have a terminating Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly coming in as well. (390-104) Euston Pendolino.
days of the August bank holiday weekend, and between London and Stoke-on-Trent.
Okay, now approaching will be 39148 with a terminating Avanti West Coast service from Glasgow Central. 39135 behind me is going to be working the 1516 to Glasgow Central. In case anyone's interested. I could have told you closer to the time, but you know. Flying Scousman. Alright, mates. That was horrific. Don't care.
London Northwestern Railway service to crew has been cancelled. This is due to a shortage of train crew.
Shock.
For Milton Keynes Central and Rugby.
There's 3 guarantees in life.
London Northwestern Railway.
Yeah, 35249 here. With 35117 on the rear, second home train. I'm seeing all the passengers. That's C1509 to Milton Keynes Central. There's 3 guarantees in life: death, taxes, and a train being cancelled because of a shortage of train crew today. Okay, we now have coming in a pair of 350s from Birmingham New Street. They'll be terminating here. Well, can't really go any further because otherwise I'll just end up driving through the city of London, leaving a whole level of destruction behind it. So look, ladybird. Scared of a ladybird now. Fantastic. I think 39135 is going to be departing as well with the 1516 to Glasgow Central. It's going via Birmingham New Street. This is 350 on the front, second home train. I'm seeing other passengers. 35256 on the rear. If you're a headphone user, it might be a good idea to take them out. Probably for the duration of this video. I don't know how bad the flange will be. City of Lancaster. Nice little spark of the pantograph there as well. And we also have a terminator London. Want to try that again? Yeah, go on then. Yeah, now coming in is going to be a terminating 710 for London Overground. This will be from Willesden Junction. 710378. And there's another plane flying above the station, heading into Heathrow. Not too sure who it is, where he's from. Could quite easily be flying out of Heathrow, so where could he be going to? He's doing the. He's giving off the vibes that he's landing at Heathrow, to be fair. Okay, 350-104 is heading back out again with the 1523 to Birmingham New Street. 231 on the rear. And they'll continue recording as I think this is a terminating London Northwestern Railway service from Tring. 350-408 on the front. .35369 on the rear, advertising Edgbaston, Birmingham New Street, obviously for the cricket. And this will be the 1524 London Northwestern Railway service to Tring, 35239 on the front. .243 on the rear. I do like the London Midland livery. That was the only good thing they ever done. Well, there were two good things that they done. They done that livery and they lost the franchise. That was the good things that they done. Okay, this is going to be 390-013 with a terminating Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly. This will be working the 1616 service back to Birmingham New Street. I'll be getting him home. Blackpool Bell. And we also have departing 710-378 with the 1530 London Overground service to Wilson Junction. Departing behind him is 39104, working the 1530 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central. He'll be going via the Trent Valley route to Glasgow. Okay, now departing is going to be 390-009 with the 1533 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Welcome to Euston. This announcement for passengers intended to travel on the London Overground between Sunday the 23rd of July and Friday the 23rd of August.
Okay, looks like we've got some 319s coming in. I'll assume these will be from Camden.
Wilson Junction, Watford Junction. There will be no London Overground services between these stations. London Overground will operate a shuttle service between London Euston and Wilson Junction only.
Always nice to see some 319s.
Go to TfL.gov.uk.
I think 39129 is getting ready to depart behind me with the 1536 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street. 319-220 is on the front of this. On the rear is 319, 219. City of Stoke-on-Trent. This is from Milton Keynes, 350-233. .122 is on the rear, multitasking train.
Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling Milton Keynes Central, Rugby, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is full of 11 coaches.
Okay, now departing, just over a minute late, will be the 15:39 London Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central, 35369, leads him out. With 408 on the rear. Okay, we've got a big plane flying over there. We're assume it's going into Heathrow. Don't know what company that is. If anyone does know, then please do let me know. Could check flight radar, but nah, can't be bothered. Anyway, bringing back down to the trains. About to depart off platform 3, should be 390-011, working the 15:43 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. No, to Liverpool Lime Street. The reason I said London Euston is because that bloke on the tunnel said Euston. So, yeah, he put Euston into my head. Yeah, he's off to Liverpool. He's leaving the Cockneys and going to the Scousers. There you go. City of Lichfield. Okay, now coming in will be a terminating London Overground service from Willesden Junction.
Welcome to Euston. Due to planned engineering works taking place between Milton Keynes Central and Northampton on Sunday the 30th.
Do you know what? I don't mind the 710s, right? The 710s are nice enough looking trains. However, I prefer the 378s.
And Sunday the 13th of August. Please note
Right, this will be 7:10:379.
Sunday the 27th and Bank Holiday Monday the 28th of August only, Avanti West Coast and London Northwestern Railway will operate a revised timetable. Over the 3 days, Avanti West Coast passengers for Chester and North Wales Coast destinations will need to change at Crewe. Passengers for Shrewsbury will need to change at Birmingham New Street. Passengers for Macclesfield and Stoke-on-Trent will need to change at Stafford or Wilmslow for road replacement transport on Sunday the 27th of August and Bank Holiday Monday 28th of August only.
Okay, now coming in, arriving 4 minutes late, will be a pair of 350s from Birmingham New Street, 35232 on the front. Behind me, 39148 is getting ready to depart with the 1553 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly via Stoke-on-Trent. 350-368 is on the rear of that. He's advertising Resorts World, Birmingham International. And I think there's another 350 coming in. This will be from Tring. And behind me, the 319 should be getting ready to depart with the 1554, I think it is. London Northwestern Railway service to Tring. It'll be 319, 219 and 220 in case you've forgotten. Somehow I managed to remember that. This will be 350-106 on the front of this, with the Unite for White Ribbon Day. On the rear is 35114 Twin Brother train. I'm seeing other passengers. Okay, we've got Pendolino coming in. I haven't got a clue where this is from. I think this could be from Blackpool. 390-008, this is from Blackpool. Charles Rennie McIntosh. Who I feel like is kind of becoming my stalker. And I think departing behind me should be the 1556 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street. I think this is from Blackpool. I'll have to double check. I will double check. Yeah, he's from Blackpool. Yeah, he's arrived 3 minutes late. Naughty, naughty boy. This is the 1557 London Overground service to Wilston Junction departing. This will be our final train. Well, one of the final trains. A few sparks. Okay, and as he continues onwards towards Willesden, I have no idea where the Birmingham train is. Yeah, as he continues onwards towards Willesden, I shall conclude that. Jesus Christ! I am going to conclude this video there, guys. This is 352.56 departing. Triple one on the rear. Right then, as he continues onwards towards dear old Brum, I shall conclude this video there, guys. Yeah, do you know what? London Euston, again, has been phenomenal. It's, again, a very good station. Like, all of the 5 London terminals I've filmed at this year. So I've done Marylebone, I've done Paddington, I've done St Pancras, King's Cross, Euston, in that order. Yeah, all 5 of them have been fantastic. Like, I think they're my 5 favourite ones. Yeah, like they're just all phenomenal. Euston is a phenomenal station to film at. I don't think it's as good as St Pancras. Like, I think I still prefer St Pancras purely for the fact you get the Eurostars in there. But, you know, it is still not a bad station, and if you haven't been here before, I do recommend it. If you do intend to film at this station, or do just train spotting in general, I think you'll have to go to Network Rail office, which is, well, if you walk out, so where I'm standing at this platform, right, if I walk straight on and just straight out the gate and that, if I turn right, just carry on walking, and you will find the Network Rail office, where you will have to get a pass and sign yourself in. Yeah, if you do intend to film or take pictures on the platforms. That's pretty much the same at most Network Rail stations. Yeah, like I say, yeah, this has just been phenomenal here today, and I do recommend it. My next station will hopefully be Peterborough on the East Coast Mainline, where we should see plenty of services from Grand Central. Well, yeah, cross country East Midlands Railway, Grand Central, I think Greater Anglia going there. There's Hull trains, there's LNER, there's this is 390.043, don't have a clue where he's from. I think you get Thameslink at Peterborough. I've said Lumo, yeah. It's pretty much everything at Peterborough, innit, yeah. So yeah, Peterborough will be next. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment and go and follow me on Twitter. There's a link in the description to that. My brain has gone to sleep. So yeah, I'm going to have to find a different way to make my way to my train. Yeah. Until Peterborough, from me, the Claret and Blue train spotter, here at London Euston, I shall catch you all later. Cheerio, guys.